profitable air conditioning supply and installation business, Mollymook, New South Wales. On offer is the client database only for Coast Air Conditioning, located in the beautiful coastal town of Ulladulla. The business offers sales, installation and service maintenance of existing and new air conditioning systems in the Shoalhaven area. This home-based lifestyle business has an established and repeat client base and a solid reputation for excellent results and consistent work in the residential and small commercial sectors. This is perfect for someone looking to start their own business or as a bolt-on to an existing enterprise looking to expand. With an existing online presence and solid reputation, there is major potential for further growth and expansion.